Introducing our sight words. Will you toast a marshmallow with me? O. Brain bit, the O sound is spelled with 2 L's. Get your writing finger ready and follow along. W. I. L. Wait a minute, that's not right. Let's fix it. W. I. L. Keep your eyes up here. You are my favorite new friend. U. Brain bit, the oo sound is spelled O-U. Get your writing finger ready and follow along. Y. O. U. Let's play a game. When you see the word you, put your thumbs up. When you don't, put them down. Are you ready? Nice work! It's polite to invite your animal friends to play. You might ask them, Dog, will you play with me? Cow, will you play with me? Ostrich, will you play with me? Raccoon, will you play with me? Panda, will you play with me? Grab a marker or something to write with. Take a peek. This is what your words will look like when you're done. W. I. L. Leave a space. Y. O. U. Great job! Thanks for watching Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Romp. Check out the link in the description below.